Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to, of course, none other than your girl Cooking with Tammy. Today I'm going to show you how to make the ultimate tomato-based fish stew. So without further ado, let's get to cooking. I decided to use cod. However, feel free to substitute with any type of white fish, whether it be halibut, whiting, or anything that you prefer. We also have our olives, but these are not just any olives, all right? I'm going to be using this particular olive right here. Not only does it have olives, but it also has capers as well, which is going to bring out the perfect taste. It's going to be awesome. We also have some finely chopped garlic along with crushed tomatoes. If you can't find crushed tomatoes, no worries, use diced tomatoes. We also have some sliced sweet yellow onions along with our thinly sliced red bell peppers. If you don't have red bell peppers, you can always substitute with green, yellow, or even orange. I'm also going to incorporate some seafood seasoning, or should I say seafood bouillon, to bring out those extra elements of flavor as well, along with our herbs de Provence, lemon pepper, salt, ground black pepper, and oil. With all of that being said, let's get this pot rocking and let's get to cooking. First thing you want to do is heat your pan on up over medium heat. We're going to hit it off with a small drizzle of oil. Once the oil is nice and hot, we're going to add our onions along with our finely chopped garlic and our bell peppers. We're going to mix it on up really good. Make sure it's well incorporated, and we're going to cook these veggies down until the onions are nice and translucent and the bell peppers are slightly softened. This part right here should take about 3 to 4 minutes. Remember, we're cooking on a medium flame, all right? I can smell it already. By the way, while these veggies are sauteing, how's everybody doing? I hope everyone is doing absolutely amazing. Yes! Gonna stir it on up some more. It's about that time, guys. We're gonna add our tomatoes. Remember what I said, if you don't have canned crushed tomatoes, you can always substitute with diced tomatoes. That just took the sizzling to a whole different level. And it's only right that we add a lot of tomatoes because it's a tomato-based stew. Really? It's a tomato-based stew. We're going to add our seasonings to season this on up. We're going to add some shrimp bouillon, seafood bouillon, or maybe even chicken bouillon. If you want to flex like that, you can add the chicken bouillon as well. I'm going to add the herbs de Provence. You can also substitute with Italian seasoning as well. I added a small amount of seasoning, as you just saw. Not too much to overwhelm the dish, but just enough to step the flavors on up. We're also going to add some lemon pepper. We're also going to add our olives and capers. Mix it on in really good. It should take about 5 minutes to come to a slow simmer. In the meanwhile, we're going to cover it on down, and I need you to continue watching because once you come back, I'm going to show you how to put this delicious dish together. All right, Cooking with Tammy fam, let's bring this recipe on home, all right? Remove the lid, be careful, there's a lot of steam going on. We're going to add some butter because we want it to be oh so flavorful. We're going to combine it really good, mix it on in there. Allow the butter to melt on down. When I tell you it's going to give it a nice, rich, creamy flavor, woo! It's going to be epic. It's going to be everything. Add some salt. We're also going to add some freshly cracked ground black pepper. Stir it on in. Make sure everything is well combined. Now will be the perfect time to add our cod to the pan. Or any type of white fish for that matter. Gonna just sit it on in there, just like that. Get nice and comfortable. Let's see if we have any space left for this guy right here. And we certainly do. Set it on in there. Boom, just like that. Take some of our delicious sauce and add it to the top of the seafood. Make sure you get a good spoonful of those tomatoes, olives, and bell peppers. Right now your pot should be looking just like this. Nothing short of this right here. The veggies are slightly broken down, but they still have texture, which is a great thing. Our fish is still whole, hasn't broken up into a billion pieces. And I'm gonna allow it to cook through for another additional 2 minutes. In the meanwhile, we could remove the lid and just leave it off at this point in time. Allow the sauce to reduce slightly. And after that, grab your favorite side, whether it be pasta, like I said, bread, crostinis, whatever. It could even be rice or let's see, what else can we pair this with? Guess what? By itself. Yes, you can definitely enjoy this wonderful dish by itself as well. And that's about it. It's been about 7 minutes so far, so we're gonna go ahead and turn that stovetop on off, and we're gonna get to serving up this delicious dish. I can't wait. I'm so excited. It smells absolutely flavorful. Go in, and we're gonna plate it just like this. We're gonna sit our seafood right on top of our rice. We're gonna hit it off with some more of that beautiful gravy. Get some of those olives. Oh my goodness, this is gorgeous. So gorgeous. Let's go in for our taste test. Let's check it one out first. This is everything right here. My mouth is already salivating. Let's see. And of course, this is what our fish should look like. It should be able to flake apart with no problem. Let's taste it. It's so flavorful, so refreshing, and so quick to put together. What I love about this recipe is, even though it's a tomato-based recipe, the tomatoes are not overwhelmingly powerful, but yet everything is just subtle enough to enjoy. Absolutely delicious. The capers, everything, the capers and the lemon pepper, they pair perfectly together along with our olives. Woo! Definitely give this recipe a try. Great thing about it, like I said before earlier, quick and easy to put together, makes the perfect weeknight meal. Not to mention, it's very impressive, not only with the presentation, but with the taste as well. As always, I'm your girl Cooking with Tammy, and I will definitely catch you guys in another video. Definitely give this recipe a try. Leave me a comment, let me know what you think, and I will catch you in another video. Talk to you later. Bye, guys. And by the way, don't forget to cop your seasonings and your saucy sauce. Talk to you later. Bye, guys.